For Module 12 learning activity, we were asked to create 6 different slides, 3 of them with ineffective design elements and 3 of them with effective ones. To begin my presentation for my introductory slide, I used very big and distracting colors, several pictures, a lot of writing, and difficult to read font. I did not add my name or class information. On the next slide, I added a lot of text and some of the letters are really small and unreadable. I also added an image that has nothing to do with the information on the slide. On the third slide, I put my entire conclusion in a very difficult to read font. Next, you see my first slide on my actual presentation, in which I just put the title of my speech and my name and class information in small font on the side. I also used a picture as a watermark on the background that speaks about my topic and is not super distracting. Just there trying to get the audience attention. In the next couple of slides, I just added some bullet points with key information that allowed me to follow along and also keep the audience on track. I also added a graph that has directly related to the information I was given. On my last slide, I ended with a little message to remind our audience of what we could do and follow with a very small image. Thank you.